In this presentation, I would like to introduce my proposed evaluation framework for a CSR communication program, which I call the Clear CSR Framework or Communication Linkage Engagement Action and Results for CSR. I developed this framework to evaluate how corporate social responsibility initiatives are communicated within an organization and how effective they are in reaching and engaging stakeholders. My framework is anchored in stakeholder theory that emphasizes that organizations must communicate effectively with all stakeholders, including internal members, communities, and partners, to ensure meaningful and ethical engagement. The first component of my framework is communication clarity, and in this part, I evaluate how clearly CSR programs are communicated within the organization. And this includes assessing whether objectives, roles, and expected outcomes are well explained to faculty members and participants. Clear communication is important because it ensures that everyone understands their responsibilities and the purpose of the program. The second component is linkage and coordination that focuses on how well the organization connects with stakeholders such as LGUs, partner schools, community leaders. The third component is engagement and participation. In this part, I evaluate the level of involvement of both internal and external stakeholders. You can see in the fourth part or fourth component, it is action and implementation, wherein it will evaluate how well the planned CSR initiatives or activities are executed. And then the last one is the results and feedback that focuses on the outcomes of the CSR program and how feedback is collected and communicated. In general, my framework is a structured way of evaluating how CSR communication focus on clarity, coordination, engagement, implementation, and outcomes. And I believe that by using this framework, the organizations can improve how they communicate their CSR initiatives and ensure stronger stakeholder relationships and create more meaningful and sustainable community impact.